Alright, hello. This short video is going to be about tick and how you use it. I believe tick is actually deprecated, meaning it shouldn't really be used that often. But this was a request from Acceptance, who is a subscriber, so they sent a comment saying, hey, they asked if I could explain that. I said, sure, yeah. So anyway, basically what this does is it shows you, or it's equal to the amount of time since there's a couple different ways to say it. I've heard it be said like Unix epoch or just epoch, and it's basically um, midnight, January 1st, 1970, I believe. So right now, if you were to print this, oh, I didn't write it in the script to print it. If you actually like tell it to print it and you print it, then that's what it'll print. It'll print the amount of time in seconds since January 1st, 2070. 2070, yeah, totally. 1970. Okay. So right here, this is the amount of time shown, and this is probably like 1 billion or something like that. I'm not going to read the exact number because it's going to take a second. But anyway, yeah, as I said, this is deprecated, and the new way to say this and have it be more exact is to use os.time. I believe tick might also be, I don't think it's any different. I think this is just more supported now, so it's probably proven to be more accurate. So anyway, that describes what tick is and what the new thing you should use os.time is.